Hola, welcome to Fun for Spanish Materials. Today's lesson is going to be about our alphabet. Um, we're going to go through every single letter we got and how to pronounce them. Um, so let's have a look first at our vowels. We have only five vowels, also like in English. And their sound is different from in English because our vowel sound is constant. It sounds the way you read it. It's not variable like in English when you say alphabet or also the A sound changes. Alphabet also. So let's have a look at our sounds first. A, E, I, O, U. That's it. I want to do it again, but faster. A, E, I, O, U. So that's how they sound, and they will never change their sound. The consonants or the other letters behave very similar to the English letters. But there are some of them that behave differently. So let's have a look at those. G. Um, G sounds like an H when you have the E or when you have an I, like he, he. Yeah. But if there is an O, like go, it sounds like g, go. Yeah, gu. Or and ga. So for a ga, for o go, and for you gu. And this is pretty much the same way you do it in English. H. The H does not sound in Spanish, and this is very important to remember. The word hola. We all know the word hola, right? If I write hola, hola is written with an H, right? Do you say hola? No, you say hola. But this H doesn't sound because H never sounds. For instance, this word is H. Yeah, you don't say H, it's H. Okay, let's have a look at the J. The J sounds like an H, so it's gonna be yeah. For instance, this word sounds J. Yeah. So take this one into account. J sounds like an H, English H. Then we have the K, L, M, N. They all sound exactly the same. This vowel here is called ñ. It's a new letter for you. It sounds like it makes this sound ña 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 ña. Yeah, año, niño. It's like ña. Yeah, you put together your tongue with your upper palate. Ña. This is the sound. And the last consonant that is special is our Y. Um, our Y sometimes sounds like an I, E, not like an English I. The sound will be more like an E here. So we're gonna do some examples later. But for example, when you say soy, soy means I am, right? Um, soy. In this case, this Y sounds like E, soy, right? So, but if for any reason there is a vowel after this Y, and the sound of the letter is going to become like a J. Yeah. So we're going to see soon other examples about this. Um, okay, ch like is the same as in English, like chest. Yeah, Chester. Double L is gonna sound like a J. Ella, lluvia. Yeah. Let's have a look at a text we're gonna read. I'm going to read this text, and you guys are going to spot uh, these blue sounds. Now, remember, the vowels keep the same sound. This is very important, okay? And some consonants sound differently. Yeah, we have them here. Okay, I'm going to read this. Hoy fue un día genial. Había flores y buena comida. Los niños corrían y las chicas bailaban. Las mañanas en Europa eran muy tranquilas. La gente camina por sus campos llenos de flores y playas. Juan tiene una casa de piedra y está construida con rocas gruesas. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this reading and you can replay this video and listen to this reading as many times as you need to make sure how the sound of our vowels and our consonants are. Um, Very good advice. Try to read maybe signs or articles in Spanish. And for the sake of improving your pronunciation, just read it out loud and be very conscious of these five sounds, right? They don't change. And also work on your sounds here for these consonants. Um, by doing this, your pronunciation is going to be perfect. Um, so this will be the advice, and that will be it. I hope you enjoy this video, and yeah, thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.